Right, so this is a video about making a video. That's my brother there. He's testing out a new electric bike. He's doing a review on it, and I'm helping him do the review. So I'm going to be doing some of the filming, the drone flying, following him around, and it should be a fun morning. Right, our
the home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
I've got to get it on you first, Sonny, so if I get the active track sorted. Right, just go, just see how we get on with that. Yep. I think that's followed him quite nicely actually. That's not too bad. I'm quite pleased with that. The drone's a little bit to the right hand side, but I think it's overall it's not a bad one. So this is a bit of a test. I've just lost my drone. I've had a flyaway, lost 14 minutes ago, and I'm just trying to locate it by using the Hubsan app. I don't understand why it did that. Okay, right, I found my drone. I'm afraid it's broken. That's what you get when you get a flyaway. Gimbal still works. I'll just go and try and get some glue to it, Sandy, and see if it I need to change the props as well, and there's a few screws missing. Right, so Wiltshire man has gone off on his way back home on his bike. I think he's going to do some more filming with his bike. Bike was kind of given to him, and they've asked him to do a review on it, so he gets to keep it and he does a review. It's not a bad little deal there, is it? I guess that's what you get when you got a big channel. So he's on his way home. I am on my way to his house. I'm going to try and get the files from the drone down there, the broken drone. I must say, with the drone, I bought it. It was in pristine, perfect condition. So if there's anything gone wrong with it, it's down to me. In my blind panic of my drone crashing and kind of losing it for 20 minutes, and obviously finding it in that state, I've been and somehow I've left the Hubsan bag with all the bits and pieces in it, you know, the props and whatever else. I've left it somewhere. Excuse me, sheeps, don't suppose you've seen a black bag anywhere, have you, with Hubsan drone written on it? No? No, me either. Right, this is where we were about an hour or so ago. God, dear, oh dear. Senior moment.
So what happened to it then, Andrew?
What happened to it? That is what I'm still trying to figure out at the moment.
Well, that's all right anyway. It's strong enough.
Yeah. Cheers, brother. Still trying. We're still trying to figure that out at the moment, Mandy. Actually, but I think what it was, I had it at an angle when I took it off, like that, and it just went off like that.
It shouldn't have done
Yeah,
that.
I know. Yeah, yeah. Well, I think it was maybe a calibration.
No, the IMU wasn't working properly.
Did you manage to get some footage though?
Well, that is another question we're about to find out, whether it's damaged the internal drive or not. Let's see. It should fire up now.
That's it straight away.
Right, okay. Right, okay, let's see if we can fix this thing back up again. Try and get it flying at least. It's really just a question of yeah, it's just a question of getting all the props off and the broken ones anyway, and then replacing them. Right, replacing some props on my drone. Had a couple of damages, let's say. Only some minor damage. Just some minor damage, but you're going to get it all fixed and take it out for a test flight in a while. This is an old DJI, which is no longer functioning. It's kind of like a project, this was, some months ago, where I tried to, because the gimbal was completely knackered, I tried to put another gimbal on it and it didn't quite work properly. So I'm hoping that this is going to bite. Yeah, that did the trick. Okay, so that's now solid there. That's okay, because sometimes when it rips itself off, it takes the thread with it and strips it. But everything's okay with that. So there we go. Got a bit of DJI on the Hubsan. All seems to be okay. Right, I think we're all intact. I think what we do now, we'll take it outside and we'll give it a bit of a go, or a bit of a fly. Right, get filming. Yep. Okay, right. I think that was fairly successful.
FPV has been turned off. It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
Right, a little bit at the end here regarding my drone. It's all good now, by the way. It's all flying perfectly well, as you saw in the video. Just a little bit, really, just in the way of advice for anyone who's thinking of hand launching their drone. Don't do it like that, like I did. I think I must have had it at an angle like that. That's the reason why it went off like an angle like that. Before I knew it, it was over the other side of the field, 200 meters away, and I hit the return to home button in a bit of a state of a panic, and it came back to me low and fast. Well, not quite back to me, because it hit a tree. Therefore, I had some damage to it. So yeah, just make sure if you're going to hand launch it, have it flat. All right, not at an angle like I did. Otherwise, you might suffer the same fate. So at least I've learned something anyway, so I hope this helps someone. And yeah, I won't be doing that again. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe if you find this kind of thing interesting, let's say. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye for now.